Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a game with Unity beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Unity Hub and click on New Project. Select the 2D or 3D template based on your game design. Name your project and choose a suitable location for it. Click the Create button to open the Unity editor. Familiarize yourself with the Unity interface, including the scene and game views. Navigate to the project panel to access your assets. Import any necessary assets by dragging them into the project panel. Create a new scene by clicking File, then New Scene. Save your scene by clicking File and then Save As, giving it an appropriate name. In the Hierarchy panel, right-click and select Create Empty to add a new game object. Rename the game object to represent the player or essential game element. Add components to your game object by selecting it and clicking Add Component in the Inspector panel. For example, add a rigid body 2D for physics or sprite renderer for visuals. To create the player character, drag a sprite into the scene from your assets. Adjust the position and scale of the sprite as needed. Create a new C# script by right-clicking in the project panel and selecting Create, then C# script. Name your script, and then double-click it to open in your code editor. Write simple movement code to control your player character. Save your script and return to the Unity editor. Attach the script to your player game object by dragging it into the Inspector panel. Test your game by clicking the Play button at the top of the window. Make adjustments to player speed or controls as necessary. Create additional game objects, like enemies or platforms, by following similar steps. Design your game level layout within the scene view. Use the Tile Map tool for creating 2D environments easily. For 3D games, use 3D models and place them into your scene. Add lighting effects to enhance the atmosphere of your game. Configure your camera settings to achieve your desired game perspective. Playtest frequently to ensure your mechanics and gameplay are functioning correctly. When you're satisfied with your game, navigate to File and select Build Settings. Choose your target platform and click Build. Select a location to save your built game and wait for it to finish compiling. Once complete, your game is ready to be played outside the Unity editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.